Well, you can go buy sugar. I hope you stocked up. I hope you bought yourself some sugar, buy yourself some rice. Agricultural products will be going higher, especially things we eat, because this is having a knock-on effect with farmers everywhere. But you should also make sure you have some gold. Most Indians have some gold. Most Indians love gold. If you don't have some gold, be sure you have some gold, because before this is over, gold is going to go much higher. I prefer silver at the moment. In fact, I am buying silver as we speak, but both will do well.
Eroded. But there's one asset that is sort of the ultimate preservation of wealth.
So what do you think? So what is this? What does all of this debt monetization theory do for gold? I mean, obviously, currency debasement. That's the big hedge for gold, is against currency debasement. So I mean, do you see, is this the perfect environment for gold then?
It really is. I like, you can't script it any better than this. And it's the whole world doing it. You know, the funny thing is, it's actually better if everyone's debasing currencies at the same time, because then you don't have these wild imbalances. Now, I suspect we will have that to some extent, because some places will go more all in than others over time. And so you have that money sloshing around into different currencies, who are doing less of it, perhaps. But it's, I think, in gold, even in the bigger picture, like, nobody is on the debasement trade at all, really. And gold still doesn't have that moment where it's captivated broader investor interest. And I think once we get over, to new 8-year highs and then eventually to new all-time highs, then that money just starts to flood in, and you have this, the snowball rolling downhill. And I think the sky is the absolute limit. Especially you have MMT coming out. You have all kinds of bailouts just over and over again. This dam has burst now in bailouts, and this, to think this is going to be a $5 trillion deficit this year in the U.S. and then start to get better, I'm not so sure that's the case. I mean, it may get a little bit better, but $2-3 trillion deficits might be the new normal until you've done whatever it is that you hope to do. Because I don't think you're losing elections right now by having huge deficits. So. They're just going to run and run and run, and gold will run and run and run as well.